Hello and welcome to Baseplate Reviews. So today we're going to do a review of this set, 40787, 234 pieces, the LEGO Mario Kart Spiny shell, or the blue shell, as I think most of us will refer to it as. So this is a set that you would have thought would have been the gift with purchase with the Mario and Standard Kart, which I have also picked up and I will do a review of that too. But actually if you ordered that one, certainly as a pre-order, you didn't get any gift with purchase. This is an insider's reward. So 2,500 insider's points, that equates to 25 Canadian dollars, which is the country that I'm in. And this actually goes for, now on eBay when I'm looking, around about 95 to 100 Canadian dollars. So very pleased that I did choose to pick this up from the insider's rewards. It's sold out on there now. I don't know if it will come back in, or maybe we'll get other coloured shells in the future. Because I didn't pre-order the Mario and Standard Kart, I actually ordered that at the time that the upscaled Baby Astronaut set was a reward, so I actually got that one. So with my order of the Mario and Standard Kart plus 2,500 insiders points, I did manage to get all three of these sets. Not sure if I'm going to build the upscaled Baby Astronaut. I might hold that one as an investment. There are people who are much more into Lego space than me. But yes, this looks really nice. Accompanying set. And actually it is June the 5th whilst I'm filming this. So I'm actually waiting for my Nintendo Switch 2 Mario Kart bundle to arrive. It's supposed to be being delivered today. So actually this is a nice one to build in advance and should make a nice display beside the TV where I'll have the video game console. But anyway, let's get to getting this open and seeing what we're working with. So only a little box here. It is only 234 pieces. From what I've seen, it looks like it's going to be quite good scale comparison to the Mario Kart set. But once we get that built, I will put this beside it just to make sure. The back of it, the box just shows the scale just here. Unsure about the spines, maybe they could have been a bit spikier, but again we'll see once we actually get it built. Otherwise, looks like some nice shaping and really nice to get this kind of premium looking box. Bit odd that it's saying it's an 18 plus set. Mario Kart's definitely not a franchise which is anything other than family friendly. But yeah, let's get this open and see how many bags we're working with and what the actual booklet looks like. So more bags than I expected. They are actually all numbered bags as well, so it's not like two number ones. Instead, yeah, we've got 4 bags. Each one doesn't contain too much stuff, and looks like bag 2 contains a few of those kind of Technic axle pieces, etc. So yeah, it should be pretty good. Nice booklet just there. How many pages have we got? Looks like we're at 70 pages there, so pretty detailed building instructions. I imagine even though this is only 234 pieces, it's not going to be the easiest build in the world. Definitely got some shaping and internal structure in there. But yeah, should be a nice one. I'm looking forward to it. Just a quick speed build here, and this was actually a really enjoyable build. The only actual problem I had during the build process was that the booklet wasn't actually printed the best, so a few pages, certainly on the left hand side of the booklet, were super washed out, and actually I've been having a bit more of a problem with that recently with a couple of sets that I've built. Much more of a problem than missing pieces that I've heard other people complaining about. I've actually only ever had missing pieces in one set, which was the big Old Trafford Stadium, the Manchester United Stadium, a couple of years ago, and pretty easy. I contacted Lego and got those parts sent to me straight away. But yeah, overall this is a really nice build. You can also see that it should be pretty replicable if you wanted to do it in different colours. I think that the only part which is super unique to this set is that pipe piece. So hopefully that ends up on bricks and pieces at some point in the future and we can build ourselves red or green or even yellow shells. I believe there's a yellow shell in the new version of Mario Kart coming out. But overall you can see this just looks really great. Really nice looking set. Great colours and yeah, just great timing. Overall, haven't got a lot of bad things to say about this one, but we'll get onto the review proper in a second. overall thoughts then on the Lego Mario Kart Spiny shell. Well, I think that for 2,500 insiders points, it's 25 Canadian, about 19 US dollars equivalent. This is a really nice set. You can see that even from the bottom, from every angle, this looks really great, and you can actually even spin it around pretty readily. It's just a really, really nicely built set. The actual build process was enjoyable as well. That's not always the case, and I think this makes a really nice companion piece to obviously the Mario and Standard Kart, but I've also got the Piranha Plant just here as well, and you can see all fits really well. The actual kind of synergy between the two, pretty good. Talking about synergy, obviously Lego have gone really heavily on the racing theme this year, both with the Mario Kart sets, so we've got obviously the big ones here, the kind of 18 plus sets, but also the play sets, and you've also got all of the F1 stuff, and especially with the Nintendo stuff, with the Switch 2 coming out and Mario Kart World being the big game, just fantastic synergy, good timing with the releases of these. But leave that alone. This is just a really, really great little set. Very pleased that I picked it up. Like I say, going for a lot more if you try and pick this up on the secondary market now. And I think there's going to be a lot of people that want to put this beside their TVs, beside their Switch 2 consoles, or even their old Switch consoles. Obviously the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe is still a great game. But yeah, overall, one of the best, most simple Lego sets that you could come across, and actually I'm really now looking forward to building that Mario and Standard Kart. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. It's been useful. It's been pretty effusive in terms of its praise. I can't really criticise this one. Yeah, the gaps just really aren't there, and you know, even if they are, you can't see any colours going through. Yeah, great set. But yeah, if you've enjoyed the review, then please do leave a like. Consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Really close to 1,000 subscribers now, so thanks for everyone that has subscribed already. But with that, I'll leave you and say as always, be good.